So our neighbor Christian's over here, and he's going to, we have a swarm of honeybees up in the tree, and he is a beekeeper. So he came over and he is going to try to capture these bees and take them across the street to his where he keeps all his bees. So we'll see what kind of shit show this is going to turn into. He's got his bee suit on and all his bee stuff, so it might be a funny video. This is pre-chaos, getting the beehives ready. Here's Christian before his stinging to death. Ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. OSHWA certified bee removal. All right, here we go. You just keep them down. Yeah. You want to go higher, or is that good? Good? That's all you got? In? All right, I'm bailing. Christian, I'm bailing. Okay, one sec, let me leave. Okay, one sec. Where's the ignition? Oh. All right. All right, it's up to you now. Literally poking the proverbial hornet's nest.
If I drop this, they'll all fall. See that?
Yeah. Well, get your bucket out.
I know, that's the thing, right? Like, they're already falling into it. Gotta get the queen in there.
Oh, there's a few flying around now. I would just sweep them, yeah, with your hand. Get that bucket on your knees or something.
Yeah, listen to you.
Yeah, cut that off. Do some pruning.
Where's Carrie watching from the inside?
Oh yeah, she's not. She's inside saying, "What are these idiots doing?"
Like,
oh, there you go, clear shot.
here they come.
Yeah, they're gonna get pissed now. Oh yeah, here they go. There's a few on your back.
I don't know what to do, Adam.
Just chuck them in the box. Yeah. I'd put them. Is that where they gotta be in that thing?
I'm gonna tip them down.
Oh fuck! Here you go. All right. Oh Christ Almighty, that's a fuck ton of bees. I'm gonna back up. Oh, they're not that pissed. There's a bunch more on that stick there. Oh Christ. Oh, that's a lot of pissed bees now. That's a lot of bees, eh? There you go. Maybe just, yeah, leave them up just like that. There, boom. You got like 90% of them.
So now I'm hoping that, because I hope I have the queen.
Well, they're all in that.
Getting on the tractor?
Am I getting on it?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to go near all those bees, but... Oh yeah, they're starting to. Oh, they're starting to come over here now. Well, apparently Christian is not going to get stung to death today. There you go. Excellent work. So Christian's up in the tree, taking that branch down, I guess, to make sure they don't keep swarming there, or he's going to put it in the box. So you just want to make sure he's got the queen. And he did get stung once, but it's not deterring him. All right, well, Christian has captured the bees, and they're going to sit here for a night, and supposedly the queen is trapped in there, and they're just going to have a good old time now.